Hi. Welcome to InspireUI. With the Flux Store or Flux News app, you can push your notifications to clients via OneSignal or Firebase. If you don't want to push notifications via OneSignal, you can remove the OneSignal library. Or if notifications do not work on iOS because Firebase conflicts with the OneSignal library, just delete OneSignal by following the steps below. Open the source code of your Flux Store or Flux News app. Then select iOS folder in the source code. Select OK button. Make sure to set the false value here in the env.dart file. You have removed the OneSignal library successfully. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.